Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Unarc.dll error code 7. This error commonly appears during game installations, signaling issues with archive extraction. It often stems from corrupted game files, insufficient RAM, or even antivirus interference. We'll start by ensuring your system meets the game's requirements and then move on to verifying file integrity, which can resolve many common problems quickly and efficiently. First, confirm your system meets the game's minimum requirements, especially regarding RAM. Many games require at least 8 GB of RAM for smooth operation. Next, verify the integrity of your game files using your game launcher. For example, Steam offers a simple Verify Integrity of Game Files option. This process checks for and replaces any corrupted or missing files, often resolving the error without further steps. Your RAM could be a culprit. Consider running a memory diagnostic tool to check for hardware issues. Also, antivirus software frequently interferes with game installations, mistakenly identifying legitimate files as threats. Try temporarily disabling your antivirus during the installation process. If that works, remember to add the game's installation folder and executable files to your antivirus exclusion list to prevent future conflicts and ensure smooth gameplay. For more advanced fixes, ensure your graphics drivers and operating system are fully updated. Outdated software can cause unexpected errors. Always run the game installer and the game itself as an administrator to avoid permission-related issues. If the problem persists, a complete re-download and clean reinstallation of the game, perhaps from a different source if available, can often resolve stubborn Unarc.dll error code 7 issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.